We'll guide you through how to get Dropbox storage for free. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Sign in to your account, or create a new one if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll want to go to the homepage and look for the button labeled Get More Space in the sidebar. Click on it. This will take you to the page where Dropbox offers several ways to earn free storage space. One of the easiest ways is by completing the Dropbox tutorial, which can earn you up to 250 megabytes of additional storage. Next, you can connect your Dropbox account to your social media profiles like Facebook and Twitter. Doing this can give you about 125 megabytes each. If you haven't referred Dropbox to your friends yet, you should definitely consider doing so. For each friend who joins and installs Dropbox through your referral link, you can earn up to 500 megabytes per referral, with a maximum limit of up to 16 gigabytes. That's a lot of extra space just by sharing with friends. You can find your unique referral link on the same Get More Space page. Another way to increase your storage is to participate in Dropbox's special promotions and events that are occasionally available. Keep an eye on their announcements for these opportunities. Also, if you have a student email address, you might be eligible for additional storage through Dropbox's educational program. Simply verify your student status, and you're good to go. Making use of these specific methods can significantly boost your Dropbox storage without spending a dime. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.